Hello everyone friends on the Ylord channel. Today I'll show you how to recover your Google account. To do this, open your browser and type in recovery Google or Gmail account. Click on the first link. And here we have a button that says recover your Google account or Gmail. Open it and enter the email address of the account you need to recover. For example, I'll enter this one. Click Next. Now if you don't know the password, click Try Another Way. You can choose to confirm on your phone. Yes, confirm. But if you don't have a phone, select I don't have my phone. Here you can try to get a message sent to your backup email address. There it is, I got it. If you don't have a backup email either, click Try Another Way. Then you can recover through your phone number if you have one linked. Then click I don't have my phone number, and accordingly click. See, you didn't give Google enough info to prove this account is yours. So next we click the button for more sign-in hints. And here's the account recovery page. Same thing basically. Here we just click on help, and here you can only write to support or use the community, which usually doesn't directly answer your questions. Or right on this page, scroll down and send feedback to your help center. Here, select this and describe our problem. Eventually, they'll contact you. Their staff will reach out. They might not contact you, but usually they do, and you can resolve your issue via email. That's all. This was Ylord. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.